Welcome to Godwin Tech. In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how to insert images in a Excel mobile app. Okay, so if you are working with a workbook in a mobile version, you can insert any image in it. So let's get started. The first is to access the app. I'll swipe up. I like using the final search to get to my Excel. So I will type Excel in a search space. Okay, then tap on the application for it to open. Okay, these are the workbooks I created in research type, but let me illustrate this station using a new blank workbook. I'll tap on the plus sign, select blank workbook. Alright, then this is my Excel workbook. I can say, okay, where do I want to insert this? Which I can tap at any cell. Okay, then tap on the ribbon display icon options. Ribbon display options, which is the arrow icon at the bottom right. Then scroll down, tap on the home and select insert, because insert contains the tool that will allow us to have pictures inside the spreadsheet. So we select pictures. If you want to take, maybe you want to take a picture of that using camera, go with the option of camera. But if you have the picture already in your smartphone, tap on photos. Alright, this shows some of the photos I took in the recent time. Alright, so I can decide, okay, let me just insert any of them. So you get to where the photo is on your smartphone and tap on it. Then followed by done button or OK, depends on how your smartphone is programmed. Alright, the picture has been inserted in this Excel. You can decide to minimize the picture, maybe draw up, just up by the side. Take it this way, so until you get the size of it that you want in the Excel workbook. Okay, so these are just the few steps you need to take to insert photo in your Excel workbook using the mobile application. I hope this helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Like this video. If you want me to cover some other videos related to Excel, please do well to leave that in the comment section. I will make a time to create such video. Thank you and stay good. Can you see how beautiful the picture looks now? That's cool. Alright, thank you once again.